have such a fun video for you guys today. Oh my god, let me tell you, it is like 98 degrees here in New York. It's so hot. I didn't want to turn off the AC. I was gonna wait for it to be like, you know, a little later in the night to do this video, but I just could not wait. Let me show you the unboxing and review that we have for today. Glossybox. This is my first time that I'm gonna try out Glossybox. This is just gorgeous. It feels so good, not cheap, and just look how cute. Let me know if any of you guys have in Glossybox. This is the Glossybox US subscription. So before I go into this video, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. This is a beauty subscription. You will receive a box monthly with 5 deluxe items, and you get over $75 worth of product. I love subscriptions like this because you try so many different brands, so many different items that you would have never thought to buy yourself. I am so honored that Glossybox did send this over to me. They gave us a coupon code too. Write it in, I put it right here on the screen. It's Jenny, and you get your first box ready for $1. $1 with your 12-month subscription. Want to do it monthly, you can do it as well too. What I love about this is that you can cancel anytime. So if you figure it out, it's not for you, but it's a great way for you to treat yourself, you know, every month, you know, you're getting a little something. Right, so don't forget, I will leave all the details in the description, so just click more and you'll see the site, the discount code, everything for you that you may need. Go ahead and open it up. Oh, look how cute. You see, it says Glossybox August 10th birthday. So happy birthday to Glossybox. Look how nicely the presentation is. That means a lot. Comes with a little black bow. So let's open it up. Like I said, it's my first time. Excited that, you know, all the items are listed here. It tells you what it is. I think that's very important. Take the sticker off here. I don't even want to mess this up. It's just so nicely wrapped. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited. Okay, so the first thing I just pulled out here, wow, this is such a good size. Look at this, guys. Look at the size of this. This is an 8-ounce Cetaphil Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. Long-lasting 48-hour hydration. Nourishing lightweight formula intensely replenishes skin hydration for 48 hours. With the hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamin B5 and vitamin E help to hydrate skin, and this retails for $9.99. I really like it. I think it's so cute. I'm just obsessed with anything that has a pump. I know I'm not the only one, but look how cute that is. And it says it's new. I've never seen them with like a body lotion. I've always seen like stuff for your face, but let me go ahead and see if I can pump some of this out. I want to see how it feels. Okay, here it is. Oh, it smells lovely. Yeah, it smells really nice. Just putting it all over. Actually feels good. It doesn't feel like greasy or oily or anything. I can't stand something like that, but it does feel nice and hydrating. What we have here, this is by the brand Hask. I don't know if I've tried something from them, maybe years ago, but this is a keratin protein smoothing deep conditioner. Softens and prevents breakage in weak, damaged hair. I know a lot of us have weak, damaged hair, especially if you bleach it or dye it. Doesn't matter what color. Like me, like, it may look okay, but trust me, there's so much damage here that I love hair products. If you've ever seen my empties video, you know that I go through hair products like crazy. Okay, so this says infused with hyaluronic keratin to reduce frizz and block humidity, especially like in summer or just anytime you don't want frizz. This conditioner gently smooths and detangles, leaving even the most unruly hair soft and revitalized with incredible shine. Perfect for the hot, humid August hair. Full size of this retails for $4.79. 50 ml, which is this one, retails for $2.99. Look at that. That's amazing. I mean, it's important for me. I know for a lot of you guys too. But it says no sulfates, no parabens. That is huge. I literally just did my keratin treatment. I do have videos showing you how I do my keratin treatment. I do it at home. Can't wait to try it out and see how it really feels. It says free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, gluten, drying alcohol, artificial colors. Let me know if you've used this brand. What do you think? But I love any treatment for my hair and like masks, you know? So far so good. Let's see what else. Ooh, we have this here. You know, I've always seen this brand, but I've never tried it. I have so many of these, and sometimes people bother me like, what do you have on your wrist? Because I forget, but I literally like love this because my hair is like so thin, and I feel like these kind of scrunchies, well, I call them scrunchies, they really hold my hair really good. Not all scrunchies are good for my really thin hair. Visibobble full size slim. This is the elegant sister to the original Invisibobble, to the perfect foundation for a party updo. This ponytail holder makes for an easy, cute, and safe way to tie style your hair. Gently holds your hair in place without breaking or damaging, and this retails for $8. I really always wanted to try these, and the color's good. I like this color. Look at that. Look how cute this is. I know some of you have had to try this. These are super thin. I know they're usually thicker, but look, these are thin. I think they're really cool. So I usually always have it here. I like to have it in my purse. I'm always losing these things, but I have so many. Not all of them are made of the same quality, you know. Some are like really cheap and they expand and they just don't grab. Like, look here. Look, when I tell you my hair is damaged, like, just look at this. Oh my god. These are the slim version. Really cool. I'm just gonna put them back here. Trust me, when I finish this video, oh my god. When I finish this video, I'm gonna try one of these immediately. I just grabbed my hair with these, and I know a lot of people like say it looks like a telephone cord or something like that. Look at this. I mean, I've shown you some amazing brands, high-end and also a drugstore. This is by the brand Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. I've actually never seen this before. This Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This one retails for $10. This is the deluxe, and the full size retails for $34. So let's quickly take this out of the packaging. Let's see, I can't wait to smell it. You know I'm obsessed with scents, and just reading the word blueberry, like, I want to know immediately, does it really smell like blueberry? Look how cute. I love minis. And the good thing about stuff like this is, like, you don't have a huge size of the items. It's good to test out. You know, what if you don't like it? You're going to be stuck with this full size. So it's just a good way to try out different things. And a pump. And I gotta say, I love this purple shade. It's so pretty. Makeup erasing, deep cleansing. Let me just smell it before I read this. Oh no. No, I don't really smell anything. I thought it would. I might be crazy, but it doesn't smell like anything to me. Just like, you know, a cleanser. Good cleanser is the first step to having healthy glowing skin. This effective yet gentle 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser, cleanser, and deep clarifying mask, hydrating the skin without stripping it, helping to combat blemishes and breakouts over time. So again, this is by Glow Recipe. I do have several skincare products from Glow Recipe. I believe they're all moisturizers. So I've never tried a cleanser. I don't know if this is new, but it's beautiful and I can't wait to try it. I usually cleanse my skin when I'm in the shower. I try many different products all the time, so I can't wait, and I'll definitely give you a review on this, how it worked like on my oily skin, how does it feel after you wash it off. I have received something from this brand before. This is the brand Cab, and this is a lip oil. So this retails for $20. This is the Juicy Melon Lip Oil from Cab Cosmetics. So pretty. I'm pretty sure I received one of these before. I don't remember which color or scent it was. Oh my god. I could smell it forever. It does smell delicious if you're super into lip oils. I mean, look at this. Again, the brand is KAB, K-A-B. There's no time for chapped lips or messy, sticky gloss. This non-sticky lip oil will give your lips an instant burst of hydration with a subtly pigmented shine. Its large doe foot applicator makes it super easy to use too. It says it's cruelty-free and vegan. Let me just show you closely the doe foot applicator. Full size. And it definitely smells delicious. Oh my god, really? LMS. Guys, LMS. This brand is so expensive. The LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Made with powerful marine and plant actives. This anti-aging formula is clinically proven to improve hydration and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Your face will look and feel firmer, more radiant. This deluxe is $45. Like I said, if you've never heard of LMS, which I'm sure maybe you have, but if you haven't, they're super pricey. So it's really nice to get to try one of their products. I love to work like here in this area and on my neck and décolletage for like anti-aging, wrinkles, fine lines. Can't wait to see. I will try a little bit on to see how it feels. Full size is $128. And check it out, everything comes nicely sealed. It looks like, I can't really tell if it's scented or not. Okay, so this one does feel a little bit heavier than like something like this, to compare it to something, but like once you spread it, it doesn't feel like, it feels really nice. Like this is something that I would put in the nighttime. If you have like really dry skin, I'm sure you would enjoy it in the nighttime and in the daytime, but for me, I like to do any of my anti-aging like in the nighttime. So I would put this on my forehead, on my neck, because you have to remember your neck too. Look how many different products we have. So it's a skincare treat every month. If you're into skincare, beauty products, try it out. Again, you can cancel anytime, so you can try if you want to do the discount code. If not, you don't have to use it. It's up to you. But again, it's Jenny. Just put Jenny. I'll leave the link in the description to their website. If you're in the US, make sure you're in Glossybox US. Don't forget, guys, to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.